I'm making salt and vinegar potatoes. This is a recipe from Nigella Lawson. She's one of the main people I go to for anything delicious.
Excitedly primed.
All you need is baby new potatoes, olive oil, salt, and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is supposed to be really good for you. It's supposed to reduce cholesterol. It lowers blood sugar. Some people recommend having a spoonful a day. I would not recommend doing that when you're hungover. Ever have like nice looking frying pans? If someone could tell me a way to get like all this caked on stuff off, I'd be really grateful. Try these potatoes. They look amazing. Salty. Here's more vinegar. I mean, this is pretty damn good. They're very creamy on the inside. Salt and vinegar potatoes, really good. If you like these videos, subscribe to get notified of whenever I post a new one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.